Alright, in this video I'll be going over page management in CleanSlate. So from the Pages tab of your site, when we hover over a page we have these options that appear. So properties is probably the most in-depth, so we'll touch on that last. And just to start, we'll start with add child. So if you have a page already created and you know you want to add a child page to that page, we can just hover over it and select the add child option. And once we do that, it's basically like the create a page option we used earlier. We just select the page type. Then we go on and fill out the properties we want for that page. Alright, the next option is edit a new tab. So once we select this, a new tab of the editable version of our page will come up. And this is how we actually add content to our page. View, so once we select view, we'll view the production version of our site. So this is what the user would see if our site were live. And view a new tab is actually the same as view, just in a new tab. Alright, so let's jump into that properties option now. So once we select properties, we're going to get basically the same window we had when we used the create a page option. The only difference is these two tabs at the top, JavaScript and page paths. So let's go with JavaScript first. So it's pretty self-explanatory. If you want any JavaScript to be in your page, this is where you enter that. And the next is the page path. So if you're moving your old site with non-search engine friendly permalinks, you can add those here, and CleanSlate will automatically redirect you to your new search engine friendly URL. And another thing about page paths is they're a little bit more flexible than permalinks in that they will allow lowercase and uppercase, as well as dashes, forward slashes, and underscores. So let's go ahead and add a new path to this page. So one thing to keep in mind when adding a new path is to leave the root domain out. So this whole CleanSlate demo.sandbox.wvu.edu will be left out. We just start with the forward slash. So let's just go ahead and shorten that up and just make it forward slash n-p. Hit save. So now that page path is applied to this new page. So let's view this in the new tab and test that out. So right here, once I change this to the new page path that we had, it should redirect us right back to this page. Hit enter. Okay, so there it is. It went right back to the new page. And that's pretty much it for page management in CleanSlate.